Right, mme Kgabi a re ha ka o felegetsa dipalo. Ke kopa fela le ntlhalosetse mola ka mantswe a mabedi mola ka mantswe a mabedi. Line, or call it line or but explain as a line or mola. Ka mantswe a mabedi fela. E nngwe le nngwe line.
Measured or not measured?
Mola. Ho tloha mona o tla mo? Mola.
Going from here to here.
Eh.
Point tse ngata tse
Batswadi le a bona wa le thatafatsa dipalo. Utlwa me a re pakeng tsa di point tse pedi akere o khutlo tse pedi mme a re di khutlo tse latelana. Jwale le nana ha le ka tlase le ruta line. Le re bana draw the line and define what you are doing. You see, our problem is we name before. We say line is, diameter is, but the kids, if they draw the line, ba tla bona di a kolokane. Ba ba o jwetse. Ka English ba re say it in your own words. Mme a re pakeng tsa point tse pedi. Ma pakeng tsa point tse pedi mo nna le point tse di. Jwale batswadi ntwe ke buang kene ha ngwana a draw ya line a o kopanya di points. Ka English ke joint points. And na ngwana o tla ile bala. Ke go bo botsa ngwana o tla ile bala. A ke o a hopola go ha ke etsa line ke join di points. Now when you say what is a line, the kids knows. Math is something that is there. You just have to analyze and define Seban Simonu. And then when I apply to any subject, mona he ke feta fela perimeter o tsole kae ka boka ha re kenya ke yona ke fence ke yo bana ba ka ke kilometer fence eno mo ke yona perimeter ke feng ke bopotulo bane akere ke bopotulo ke ntweteng dipalo di ata ka mang ha di tsoma ke ntweteng ga ipila akere bana beso le mehlenyana ho thubo bontata hona moholo bane ba beha majo ka mokotleng ha khomo feteng tsethu that's counting majwana di khomo tsena di a shota jela ke ho lona ha re tshintsheng ha ona motho a tla re fetola rona ka borona hore ha o dulela ha o lo ruta ngwana concept a go e bone now o ka etsa jwang hore e nolofalle ngwana ha re bua ka area re bua ka sebaka sena se boholo bo bokae aka shebe lono yana ka mane le ka mona ke feng e kgolo o gona go ruta dipalo hohle di rectangle ke tsona di khutlo nne ke di festere bana ba ngola dibuke mara bana ba di fosa ke ngwana o ngola exam mo scandaleng why force ke they need to analyze ina le mahlakore a mane ana a shebaneng opposite sides are equal they must measure. The kids should analyze a figure. Rectangle is, square is. Okay, what's a square? What is a square? Good square. What is a square? Four-sided figure. What are you Who wants to hopefully? You're not just square. Huh? Tabaka kuri kiri. Bana habadi kabu bona over first square basi mite. Basi analyze. Basi abala bona ki bona ki mahlako ka fo. Ako analyze mono a measure le di angle tsena go ke yana it's a learning. What's my teacher re faila kae? Re ketsa bo pastor re bua ale se ha re fe bana monyetla. You facilitate the kids do. They learn by doing. Square, we have been saying the same thing for many years. Square is, rectangle is, and we are still struggling. Let the kids measure. They can see it's four sides. They can see their opposite. they must measure the angles, and then they can tell what is the difference between a rectangle and a square. Right? Sana ke lo hona mono sidika dikwe he sona ile ke. Ntla se sidika dikwe. Ska wa feta mantswa mane. Sekele ibe ke ngwa. O kana ka bana ka lo tutho didika dikwe mane. Sidika dikwe ke. Hopolang bana beso molemong wa bana. Re feitsi bana dilemolemo. Lana wena ntse re ba feila. Ene bana ba bohlale bana. Re ba bloka. Sidika dikwe kana ke vale. Circle, what is a circle?
A round shape.
A round shape. Fais le figure ya ka e round tu jana ka pole. Hasna e.
It's like a ball.
Bana ba se la utlwa gona re fufulela yang ha re le ka o hlalosa sigadi. Ha utlwa. Wa tshisa. Ho ntso bata. Ke go palo hopole bana ba rona jwale. Batswadi. Hopolang bana ba rona jwale hore na how do they feel? If the temperature goes up when I ask a circle, what about them? Harebe bufatseng batswadi. Harebe bufatseng. Linkile dibuka mo ke kopa linke dibuka. Wa tsa o ka ruta class o sanka choko sanka duster wa pere sutu 3 piece wa pere tie. Jolo ga ke etse tsena ba ibitsa pitsetso ntwena linkile dipampiri ke kopa re ngoleng bana he. Re tlo analyze go sekele keng. A ke re linkile dibuka. Ke kopa le tshwaya khutlo mo just make a point. Let's imagine now from that point you take a ruler, from that point make another point, let's say 5 centimeters, up to you, 5 centimeters from that point, whichever, but it must be the same distance. Again, o be mono khutlong yenwa ke a ke o se gabe itswe kwa tsebo o beile monwana le khutlong ke bana ke o ntsetsa dintlha tsane di point tsana ke wa bona di point tsena pointing e di point tse ka ofela di bohole bo boka di a lekana ke bohole bo lekana ke pointing e lengwa ke bohole bo lekana pointing e lengwa ke so what is a circle? Ke bula 5. Ndata o tshulo re bolawa ke ka nkgo go dueng ka teng chef yene re inisitseng ke tsa ke bua ka circle yana lwana ma role chef yene tshwantse re ntshe ndate e tswe chef yene ke yena ntla yena ke me ga bia ga re dintlha tsane wa bua mme ska etsa tjena o me khabitse skela o mana tsa tjena wa utlwa bona ba tla ntwe le bua hape mme wa ka ba mametse
Equal distance, say from a point.
Ako khanulu we sika we hlalose.
Explain to a 5-year-old.
Bana ba mme are Biology ke se tlhapi ntate ma go tetle na ke se tlhapi sena. Biology ntho ba etseba hona ntho ba etseba. Ha se bo tabula gasa. Batswadi ke re bana ba dresse ke leo. Ha ba kete ba explain ba entseng. Mme are ke drawile equal points from a point. Equal points from a point is a circle definition. Equal points from a point is a circle definition. They've done it, they don't have to read anybody else's book. And the English ba say it in your own words. O tla bua ka puo ya batlang bua ka yona. Di khutlo tsele. Because math and science is about properties, man. Relativity di nkatse di point tse. What is the relationship between this middle point and the outside point? What is the relationship? The points are the same distance from the point. The points are the same distance from the point. yala ngwana mme ke tla etsa ka right ke le file mohlala ke matisha ba go dira di example ke le file example he ha ke tsebe ke go pale ngole mo le kana la discuss gore le nhlasetso go line ke eng ha ke ntse le ngola le kana la discuss le be le mplela sekele ke eng le be mplela center ke eng hobane jwale komporo e hana ho bua lena kapo ke kenye mo sticking ke sebetse another computer ntate ntse sa ngole ntate mme ha o rekela pene le buka ntate o ngola komporo line circle center diameter ha ke di etse 4 fela bana kwa ge ya fokola line circle center diameter le radius tse hlano fela line circle center diameter le radius tse hlano so fela o di nahana o le mong o ka di hlalosa jwang ene ka o thusa jwang how di draw bo bona magwa ba ka sekgowa do you get a picture encourage the kids to draw these things kina le 100 rand di lasi mona ne ha ona motho ka nhlalosetsa the meaning of the word important hayo hey langa go nhlalosetsa the word nice ha o no hlalosa mmele ntate nice ha ona le motho a tla inepa ke ba tshositse clar but you see our problem we know sekele ke mara go no hlalosa we know important bolela but we cannot explain it we know what the nice means but we cannot as a teacher ensure first that you understand simplify for the kids it's your duty ndate ke nnete re no le chefu go fela ma tshwantse re ntse jwa molemong wa bana le batla discuss nto or e molemo tla ikemela line ne se re otlile ka se rena le ona e be line ke njwale ke batla go bona gona lesson ya ka e pasitse na kana re itse line ke mola re itse ke mola how batung only 2 words yes ba re utlile ke botsa line ke 2 words ka le fufulelwa pele le hlokola di lamba le etsa eng mari ho nola fatsa ntwena as a teacher you are a facilitator you must ulo no se dibeng senu o tlo inola fatsa jwang how do you make this for the kids maths is life all right what is a circle what I want to lesson ya ka pasitse my sister circle ana ke khalemela bana ke re heluna le ka ntate modimo ha re botsa palo dipotso tsa dipalo le sheba modimo ntho di mona taba di mona sekele ke ka pela re hlalose ke ha ke bute le ka ntate modimo na mosebetsi mongata ha o botsa bana be sekele ke
Can I plagiarize?
Yes, it's no problem, madam. No problem. No problem, madam. No problem. Yes. Say it again.
I'm going to ask you.
How do you ask Google? How do you do it? I failed in this lesson. I said it, you say, now what are your uncle Google? And now I'm happy. When I get Botswana, how do you how can I tell you Uncle Google?
Same distance from your point.
Equal points from it.
Same distance from your point.
I fell like that. I fell.
Yeah, you joined. Okay.
I fell, say. But what I fell is in second. Say it again, Daddy. Joining what?
Joining points from a point.
Join points, same distance from a point. You can say it in whichever way. Jwale o tlo gona re masokola ga batho ba Celtics ha re botsa ka sekele nahana bana bana beso tshwantse o inolofatsa ha o le hae tshwantse o inolofatsa uncle Google a reng uncle Google a reng right now can we all draw that circle now you know what is a circle and what is a center analyze look at that picture and look where is that center relative to other points and define it because it's in the book haya ngolwa ke motho sa mo imo o ishebile ke center ke wa bona e hlalose yes sir
the equal distance from all the lines.
Untso ya mono ngwana untso ya mo mara e shebe bua hape batla o thusa ngwana eso batla o thusa equal distance from the Ribuaka center. What is a center? That they are equal. Say it again. Equal distance from all the point. Equal. What is this? A point, same distance from the points. A point, same distance from points. It's in other words, circle is something that is in front of you. Has Professor Mama or Maniban or Bukaya Mama. It's there. You do not fancy the banner. Let's see. But I'm going to second. Hey, Maniela. So when you say how or this, I can't. How you say? Lienze, my chalusi. And doing it, they learn it. They don't have to go and read it. And when they read it, it will be easier. Uncle Google Wahana.
He says a circle is a collection of points where all these points are equidistant from the point called.
Wabona he Uncle Google bula bana ba rona mantswe mangata je. Masapo a tlhapi fela go masapo a o hlaba a tlhapi ke mme ha re nolofatse. And in English ba say it in your own words, not Uncle Google's words. It's very, very important. Colleagues, all of you are able to do this. Whichever subject you teach. Science is life. Cook soda, of soda, baking powder, they are all there. And the safety and so on and so on. Right, now we know what is a circle. We know what is a center now. Can you draw me a line from the center to the circle? Draw me. The kids are working. Our problem is we work more than the kids. That's why we're not smart to fit a banana. Oh, can't you move bana? What do shine or demonstrate the banana? Banana Matzibana, one is Zulumon, or you put a little in that, or Babita Tabula Rasa, or Banana little, Banana. You draw a line, a straight line from a center to the circle. What did you do? Matisha Bagata Memo Hampi. Now, Yarum Pelibito, you went saying. Kikupa we draw explain a Wednesday. Draw it and explain. Draw a straight line from the center to the circle. Bana Lensing. Huh? A line from the center to the circle. That's what you draw. That's what you drew. Say it again. It's a straight line, again. Okay, say it again. That line until we are going, it's called radius. But how rare into Blomfontein who took in Tokyo Copos, Kerry. He come away sound down again. Haba one walk again. Well, Lally beats a pay to 1 and 20 or 9 when what think you feel. How work as you can to a chain now. Retire Falibizocam Rao. Lunale Rata Pelo. What is the radius? What is diameter? Lina Banava TV. They talk about this. Right. Now draw a straight line from the circle. Straight line from the circle. through the center to the circle.
That is the
Bana go ba le mmamele ha le qeta le etsa ntho ke le etsa ha le qeta le tlo hlalosetsa le entse. Colleagues, you see, I'm working on it. I'm talking the terminology. I'm talking the language over and over again. But the kids are doing and learning. We are using the terminology all over. No, not to go quite. A line, straight line from the circle through the center to the circle. Okay, Banabaka Lenzeng, what did you do now? A straight line.
from the center
Through the center
to the circle.
And that line is called diameter. So what is diameter here, Banabeso?
One point, a line from one point of the circle through the circle, to another point. Najel has to act
What happened, man?
a straight line. Bring it to a straight line.
there, thrown a line,
A straight line.
through the center, I've thrown it again.
A straight line.
Yes, it's still a straight line.
Ko ke ke mba amen thego ena so far we utlwa. Ako bue hle mme waka. Ah ke very good wa re thema mme ako na ko qhaqolle. Colleagues, what do you think about what I'm sharing?
Go straight to the point.
Sometimes you don't even need textbooks. You just need to read. Ntato tshwantse lo go ta diameter, o go ta circle, then o ya le bana ka ntle ba draw a circle. Ama circle yana ha e sharp. Circle yana ha e rege. Ke batla circle e hantle. Bana ba tla ba o bolelle o circle e hantle bona investigate. They learn, they discover. But we must change the way we teach. O tshwanetse lo me we bona jwang taba ena ke ke mba amen mfundisi kule ndawo ha ba ke fositse ke go ba le ndwetse tle bathong hao o ntate nna ke lahlehile o bua fela go wena o ya lo city le batho ya Sun City nna ke le isa lo city ke go ba le bue
No, tala tsena di monate ha ho ka ntate wa ka. Di etsa hore metso be le bophelo hore bana ba qetelle ba appreciate ona ke qetella ke fihlile mane ho bana ba etsa ba. E se re qala ka mane re tle ka mona o re thusa hore kala ka mona ntse ba e phela. Jwale o tsamaile bona ho fihla mane mo o ba khatheng.
ke na le abuti wa ka mona masine o thothwe ke mo le batsintja a re he le monsena ge ntse 29 out of 120 ke motho wa pone ke swa isa pone ke e mogolo wela go 29 of 120 o bua ka eng a re se batla ke bua ka mekotla oh chai o ile le monsena wela ke re abuti wa ka e be mokotle mo go tlo etsa mekotla e ka ya phofu a hell wa bua sebata ke dipalo go mokotla ho o tla etsa mekotla e ka ya phofu ana mokotla wa wa phofu o fepa batho ba ka ile lapeng. Math is what we live. Ba bua ka sekgosang se thata sane o tsena le sekgwa utlwana ba re relevance e ntwe thata eo oh must make math relevance ke ntwe ntate yona hle ka go tseba sekgwa relevance e bolela ngwana relevance ka ba tsone bilo ke ba re dipalo ke ntwe ke phelang ke ke sebata jwale ke mekotla 29 out of 120 ke batho ba ka jwale ba tlo bolawang ke tlala bana ba bone he masimo mo hlokomele masimo re lemeng re tlo bolawa ke tlala mokotla wa nwana o tswa ke lapa ke dipalo ke anything and e etsetse molemong ngwana ha ena ya rona ena so dipalo ka na ba anything jwale ke tshaba o bua ka okay another thing Sizi ngafumana a scissor and a page. Can I get a scissor? I'm trying to avoid area. Ke bone ka re hantle ka area ra tseba re bua ka re bua ka eng.
Ba pampiri.
Ke go pasa tsana ke emetse di sebediswa tsa ka jwalo. Le ruta dipalo sehlopheng se feng ba bang ba ruta dipalo mo?
5, 6, 7.
Up to 7. mohlala dipalo tse le di etsang ka ba le sebetsana le eng especially ko 7 ke lebetse le itsebisa lebitso banna ka moggo dipalo le etsang ka re sa ke le dipalong ke tshwana le mofundisi ke a futumala a ke dipalong nna ke Thapelo Pitso ke tswa kwana Bloemfontein ke sebetsana le matitjhere a mmetse a grade 8 and 9 jwale ke yona ntho e ke ba jesang yona eno bana beso ha re etseng dintho differently grade 7 mo le bua ka di shapes mme okay bana beso ha ke le dumeleleng la hleng bathong ha ke le dumeleleng la hore re etsa dipalo di be thata ka nnete ngwana a fosa rectangle a shebile so futsho a fosa what is a rectangle futsho we shebile ke poso ya hao o bona ha ngwana ka re a ema ka plus 2 nyeje sina di dikulo o na le poso kae o ema ka plus 2 nya ndunye ntwana le tulana kotsi o shona ntwe ngwana sa itsebile bana ba se rectangle ke na bana they analyze it they measure they see that now the properties they want to define the page they want to define the rectangle or they look at it how many sides 4 what is the relationship between the sides opposite they are equal what about the angles when we measure them it's 90 they do it don't tell them then they'll tell you what's a rectangle. Same thing with a square. Now, if I draw a line from here to here, can I line your libita? Come hold a tankat. Aha, what are you heli? Katampi. Yaubita pili. Yaubita pili, it's a little. But what is a diagonal? Playing haking. Lishabenga draw a diagonal. Lishabenga draw. Can diagonal?
From corner to corner.
Bua hape a o ngwaneso o tsikaletse mara jwale khona tse o di hlalosa jwang le khona tse tsena o di hlalosa jwang di shabane ska tsaba o bua tletse diaka di shabane opposite ngwana mme mara wa utlwa re haella ga ilukisa ka tlaseng ga ilukisa ebe loke ke yona ntwe mme gabe ya itulong a ba tseba bua bana ha nne re ne re thusaneng taba go di shebane hobane khona ena le yane ha di ya shebana so diagonal is what you do. What is diagonal? Many diagonal is what I do, joining straight line from this corner to this corner, but opposite. Not what is written in the book. If you don't have the book, la le book le mo sekolong o rege le tije o rege bana ba ruta ba sena di book ngana ka tla for beke for mahala ke tlo ruta fela dimpe mbela ntwe ba tlang go ruta dipalo ke tla okay. Right now I'm going to cut this page on a diagonal. Bana ba etsa jwalo boys and girls, cut the page on the diagonal. You see now, you are talking the language. They know, but they know what's a diagonal. And over Shabi Labai Kata has a Katika diagonal, what's about teacher when what I see. But I was Hagamwili. How one I can give up? What's I for when? So I want to walk away. How if you are hangwana a ema ka plus 2 years ena le ditholana bothata boteng nna ka khutlela yo ke nna eno he ke diagonal ke sa diagonal o bana hololo a ke nna sempa ke bontsha lona hore na le lo etsang a le fitla sekolong bana mona na nya gona kana khaiti bitswang ka Sotho hal ko le hlola ke mabugu wa tse mabugu ba ntwe ngwe ba e rea ka puo ya bona ha bana taba gona e tlile le maguwa
mara o melata
he una ke tla dula ntse re tshware magao molata maguwa mona ntse re promote kai bana ba se le bone ke ena ka rectangle ena fela ke kgona go ruta shape tse ngata ke entse mo okay yetsa bana ba ke be ke re boys and girls analyze this figure. I guess I rutile system. We analyze many. They measure. You know what do? We measure. We measure the angles. We measure the side. This side is equal to this side. But how are they related? They are neighbors. Mathematically, we say adjacent. But they analyze. Give them the opportunity to analyze and learn. I say, hey, Makuan, I get right. Fufisa limona get. Well, why it's under the booking? Here, no, but I analyze. I'm not analyze again. Happy, you're not page here. Now, this is in Indian 20 career school of Manabalite. Well, again, I'm a bit I go, I born Anglian hang out or so it's really canally. But now, what kind of figure is this? Parallelogram. Oh, how to eliminate gallery name a bit. How analyzing? By measure, they see opposite sides are, opposite sides are, opposite angles are, opposite angles are. They analyze it. And when I'm make out of the parallelogram, the adjacent angles the atom, corresponding angles the atom. The transfer about 12 maybe I live in leveling in. I get good to show my teacher Ruta. It's a fapani. But in the Guluna, Lebanaba grade 4, okay, Levitan Lassie, Slopaso Sabune Seu. Bakabadi Sheven to the Batawell. How shall I illeganally? Let's the fractions. Who energy one? Oh, for example, how are the fraction in it? You've got a whole. And then Banaba Carter, they analyze one or more half there are two of them. More 113, there are two of them. They see it themselves and learn and do it. That and that.
How do you space and shape? I guess so we work at 2D and 3D.
Yes, sir.
So can I go to our 3D? Botswana hona in a face guy. So it's as one because now highly argument highly on paper. 2D because it's flat. I guess. So it's as one.
Gracias, Hanyana Puto.
When I'm telling you, Puto.
Remember this name, Manabis.
Space and shape. I get that dimension and 3 dimension. I get
okay.
So examine what I assessment. What I said picture. I get how many faces. 3D.
Okay.
Now our argument on high sally pampiring. High sally 3D. About 2D.
Figurena Mona.
Pampiring A. Because I get one and a half on a side big guy. A1.
What do we do?
Now, because Babu Engel, the question when I go now are the kids getting the picture now? Picture no itabeli joa. E we feeling ka so ebe so ha ke se bena o ka khala ka mahlako ka poka etsa ke le ka ona ke le ka o inama ke mane fatse mane bana ba se le utlwile potso le ka etsa ba
because mana ha aga banta Thapelo mohlomong wa mmotsa hore na ke 2D or 3D, right?
Yeah.
It's a picture ya 3D but now ngwana ngwala 2D.
Okay, re tla le ka o ilukisa mme
o preka ha ile 2D
It is flat. How to weigh square. It is impa jala ha sa re tloile keyboard. Go re tla bona la pantimono vele mana teng sa re tloile e 3D. So ha ke fala bona.
Okay, go utlwile mme wa ka ntate Sizi o mametse ga tla ntate
eno di thama yana ke the drawing on the page. Because re sheba the perspective of drawing. Ha re bua ka art ya hore, re bua ka drawing perspective. Re tla be re shebile o le hore na drawing ntwena na ha ile cuboid. Ga ke re o tla lo re na o drawile o hlaile kae. O tla tla ntho tsohle, o tla tla hore na are you on the savage left ka pokae. Ha re bua ka art. Re go bua ka hore na motho ha ntse a troya kapa a troile the picture. Ona e ni jwa. O go shaba ntho tse jwa.
Ke creative as e.
Ke creative.
Ele bana ya kopana le dipalo. Mmelesa. Ha o betire re mpe re nke box ya di biscuits re nke picture re fe bana. Ke bone le ntho e botsang. Ke bone bana ba technology ha ba troya fika bo botsa ntho e mare ke square kapo ke cube kapo ke eng. Nna ke tla re ke ne sa ba fe tsona di box tsa mai or cornflakes ba tle ba fumana di picture tse jwalo ho bobebe go thata ho etsa jwalo because nna le batho ba nang le ditlholo e ngwaneso ba ba tlo bona fela le box ena ka re ba hatiketse ena le bona jwa malabeso e le fa mathata potso ya le file bana ntate Sizi nna ka nnete ke tlanka picture ya le box la cornflakes ka tlule box ya le box ke ba fe yona ke picture ya box ke kenye mo examine ntate
no ke so yentse ne tlo bua nna
askisa apologize ke ma le bone ke fufuletse pele ka lwana ke o tshwatse lwana o ditse go lwana ntwe ntate Sizi ya bua ke ndi because o tlo loser bana ba bangata because nna picture tse jalo sa tlo go nka pencil ke bona le ntwe flat ntate ka go motho la fika hata boxing matla rena a bone ka o tshwana o so e jwalo ngwana me
now the problem also like I said ka inclusive education I guess gore ke ratile perspective a faneng ka yona
batho ba metse le utlwile ntate wa creative arts ya ka le ka dula le ena la di sheba di bokiste al matlafatsa le ntate wa technology area ka ofela ka sebetsa lena mmelesang area e teng go foundation phase e teng go grade 3 4 oh e teng good now potso ena e botsa teams ke this international maths competition e ngolwang ke dinaga ka ofela mona akere potso ya teng ke ere kana area ya rectangle what is the area of rectangle? Oh, formula, yes. Formula, thank you, Mark. Thank you, man. Aish, boo on that. Formula. Length by width. I want to set up you. You're broad now again. Breadth width, but Panama. Let's be saying we are so. Okay. Formula, thank you. Length by width or breadth. Yeah. Now here's a question. When I double the length, what is the area now? Okay, let us agree. What is the formula? Yeah, area of this page. Remember, get length by width again, or length by breadth. Now, when I double the length, what is the area?
Only length.
Yes.
It will be length times 2 by width.
It will still be length by width.
It will still be the same. Mary. Manabes, kikopa le shebe taba e.
The width is
Okay. I see how is the m squared.
Na ke se butsa fela ke tlo botsa potso ena. Ke batla utlwa mme na re wa square mme a re wa double batho ba ga una petro mo is the same.
You're saying length by width.
In the length.
O tla bo double ka po square.
How is double?
Oh, iba square. Ngwane so wa square mme mntate bo tla ha una petro mme wena o bonela. Ah, buta petro kwa aski mme wa to kwa ntle mme wa ke go pota kone. Buta pele to ska ba etsa ntho pele ke batla ntate abu ntate abu ntate wa ka
ka formula.
Yes, eh.
Jwale so bona ha o double level.
Eh,
Jwale re ho L mo o tloetsa 2 times L.
2 times L.
Ha formula re mo
Eh,
tloetsa 2L
Ne ke
times
tlhola.
with W.
eh.
No sa kana 2L le with. Ha ntse re bua ka shape yana o so ita.
Oh, mme wa ka ke ena o bona, o tlile le memo, mme ka bo bontshe.
Winning team.
Mme a ka bo bontshe.
ne ke re ha ke re
Molemong wa bana.
picture yane ya pele ha ke re na le length re na le width now we double yes two is like
Bona, mme yes now because she can see. So don't teach the kids same way.
formula ga ntse tshwana umpa o tlo fapana mona.
You see, others will see when you give them the picture. Kids don't learn the same way. This length by length, you can get twice length by width. That you step up memo na buile ka square. Memo is very. Who take length plus length, get twice length by width. Get double, it's doubled. Even if you do the width is the same thing, it's doubling. But now the kids must see it. O tla dula ntse ba sa tswa ba sa ba bua la o tla ya mme ba sa ba bua so they must see ke ratile mme ka tswa di phone a re ra change ta bo ntse o ntse re tshwere yona ke length plus length which is twice length by so there's a different kids must see these things not just computer ka bona ba se ke yona ntho eno ha ke batla lolo anything this can be used in any subject but o bone ntate Sizi ya re botsa potso mona re na le bone ile ba ka fufulelo ne ka ena that's your duty as a teacher o tlo etsa jwang hore bana ba utlwisise Einstein are if you cannot do it simply you don't understand it fully. How you to see about that? How's that going to be fast? How you to see about that? But teacher, how you send to about that? Udu Valeo and Twin. No Lantiva Mona, Sabu like how to root a sense of web. We ain't saying, oh, 7 is a penga look is a prepare. That was my point. What's to prepare? Who said, Libabunolo, Linolo Fale. Ke ta fela mo nna Sizi ya ke tsebe nako yona ya reng if una le dipotso kapo di complain ke rata di complain mona nne motho sa o disa lesson plan ntate ka nnete nna kutu ke latlhile ke batla lo city ma batla Sun City wena o nkise lo city ntate you want to say something
yes
noted me
wait thinking when it amodi ke rata the way you tell sang the thing le go bontsha mbana metsa go ruta ka teng but challenge ya rona re na le lone mo dikolo ke hore everything it's time pressed hore etsa so as such we don't get time to explain exactly as we're explaining it taking our time but say bana step by step how do we do it
okay should I anybody want to answer it? Anybody noted say it's an important point?
No, it's just a comment on my side.
Or a comment. Should we respond first about the commenting? This is what when you're asking that question, I'm thinking Sizuka Khapsi. I'm thinking hore Khapsi swantse re dule fatshe re bona hore na. Okay. How long does it take this lesson? Can we put it in 45 minutes and how do we do it? But again, not in my case because I'm working with 8 and 9. I'm working 8 and 9. It's unlike grade 12 because South Africa, the kids must finish the syllabus. I always insist to teacher, don't go to the next concept before EBA concept in EBA hand. But there is a possibility of a particular lesson. And I can do it within the double period. So it means what your question is important, and it's a good question because other people don't know. No, I will never finish my syllabus. But now we must come back and see how do we put this within the teaching context.
Those experiments we performed, minus the us teaching each other part. It is an experiment that is supposed to take place within 15 minutes of the lesson. But there are certain preparations that you as a teacher, you need to do beforehand. One, let's say all solutions and everything, you need to prepare. Per table station, natural. And then, normally, what my partners and I do, they create a worksheet. Essentially, like a guiding way of what are we testing for, So, by the time, let's say the period is 30 minutes. But we take 5 minutes. Remember, it only takes 2 minutes for a person to understand or not to understand. So 5 minutes is for emphasis and giving instructions. This is what we're going to do. And then you take the other 5 minutes of fanakadi apparatus, and then you take 15 minutes. Not way now you're gonna waste the time. More na by it. And then if we know who we are testing 5 different things, it's either group 1, you are testing solution mama. Group 2, you are doing this part. And then whatever your answer as a group, the whole integrity, your experiment, your class is depending on your team's result. So, Kafela, you do your part, we do our part here in this corner, and then we record everything on the board. By the time we exit the class, at least we know whatever is.
Preparations.
How I do it.
Preparations, man.
In science. In maths, you can always break it up in groups. And then you give them different questions, and you like, after each group can come, how did they in their group work it out?
Yeah. Preparation and so on. We need to, from our side, to prepare. Because many go right, that's also get us syllabus. But our plan, our prepare properly, ma'am. Ma'am, you wanted to say something?
I was just saying that what I have learned is clear instructions and let learners analyze the concept. Is then that a mess seems to be easy.
How about it? Because math is a practical subject. You build, you measure, how it's so that they must feel and they must experience it. It must be internalized by doing it. In that way, they are learning. Far more better than Unzo repeater 2 times 2 4, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 2 4. When they do it, they see it. I always tell the grade 12 learners the theorems. The theorems are difficult. But when you look at the figure, you see this is an exterior angle. It's important to know first of all, this is an exterior angle. Why are these 2 angles equal to this one? Because there are 2 interior equals to the exterior. As long as they know the language, they don't have to learn the theorems. But the road learning and so on, that's why they fall. Because they're looking, why is this angle equal to this one? Because this angle is okay, they are opposite equal sides. You see it, but the language. What I'm doing here, I'm also building the language, the concept, and the confidence. From there, easily they'll go and read, study, and so on and so on.
Another thing is specific objective in the lesson. You have to be very specific.
That's all right, because Russia you are concerned. Russia and then whenever confused, even kids these days they easily tell you how many you can give me 0 because they've given up on you because you failed them. But many are smaller chunks. You see now, I'm sure most of the people must be that one's a line. Lunal battle solver. Not one's a diameter, I see. Kids, you ask them lately, even the grade 12, what is the diameter? It cuts the circle into 2 equal halves. Kiri, you are telling me the property. You are not telling me the diameter. then it will be easy. When you talk about chord, when you talk about second, when you talk about tangent, it touches a circle at a point. They analyze, they see what it, they see what is in front. Just use the language. They explain what is in front of them. Maths is in front of us. Maths is us. Maths is within us. We should now want to say enough more sciencing. Any complaint? Yeah, the last complaint. Yes. Tell ma'am.
Daddy?
Oh, Megan.
You have a comment.
Anything, you want to say anything, question, complain, or how many are not too fast to one. So, many are access or so. When I get to tell him, one of your will is just like well as a chin. That oh, I go like it. No, that Qwaqwa, that I go like it. Malin totally would that. To play or like you and a hoa. Oshapuga in that. What's that matter? That also really matter statement and resi. Who for mark for statement, who for mark for resi. Sharp, 1 mark. Evidence. Who and that? Let me go convince you who one is. Eh, you like what Hana looks at them. Hansen that one against me. Hey.
And it is like that. Everything must be learner-centered.
So yes.
More than being teacher-centered. They must put their hands on everything that they need to learn. If they have not put their hands, they are going to forget. All that is said is going to be forgotten if they did not do it. This is all that you have to say. Thank you very much.
Okay. No word to tell you to get what at the learner center to my who is very unemployed. Well, let us send that way, no. But not to you upon laboratory back up in Tata Kuala Multikupa. I can change the way you do things. I could lick into it. That would say put because when I'm 20 Janako, Mekabu Blela, I could plain hand prepare. I can change a little boni. Try it for 2 weeks and so on. Don't discover the result immediately to born. But how plainly handed you look on a sublet. Yes, a gas woman about a big magby. But Catilina has also South Africa on a big magby. Well, put a cana. Big magby, Mabu, buying Gilewal, that.
How calam to make a shovel moon security. Only come NATO. I can put hat over and we're going to wait to see Pumbon about Nagalichin, Harakamak last woman. How Calabella told you no money the wood team fella. Banavano about our king too. But to shallows on Nike. Did you phone Monacalava text out? How Catalamata can you have a key music up again? Kenyan teenage. You know, Hakalava to a fellow bear twin and Hashol or to a man. It is into my rata. I don't do never ratangle and Metaka.
That
you don't know, go fella, regularly go localize.
Any Baratanian and that.